In Prashnottara Ratnamalika, Shankara goes one step further and shows how to frame the appropriate questions also before giving their answers. This is to ensure that the Shishya gets the required guidance for the proper growth of his character and personality. Shankara does a piece of counseling too. Shankara's Prashnottara Ratnamalika consists of 67 slokas. In the first sloka, the Vishaya or the subject matter of the poem is introduced in a very poetic fashion. Kah khalu nalankriyate drishtartha sadhana patiyan amaya kanthasthitaya prashnottara ratna malikaya. Who will not adorn his own neck with this Prashnottara Ratna Malika, this diamond necklace of questions and answers, which enables its wearer to reach the desired goals both here and hereafter, both materially and spiritually. This is a rhetorical question that is used to lay emphasis on a particular point the author wants to make. It does not require a separate answer. It is implied in the question itself. Shankara also uses wordplay with kanthasthita and kanthastha, meaning ornament on the neck and memorization of the questions and answers, respectively. In the last sloka, Shankara describes the prayojana or benefit one would get from memorizing the questions and answers. Ityesha kanthastha prashnottara ratna malika yesham te mukta bharana iva vimalascha bhanti satsamajeshu. With the wisdom acquired from this poem of questions and answers, one would shine forth with radiance like an ornament of pearls in the company of wise people. In between these two slokas come some 175 questions with answers, running through 65 slokas. Prashnottara Ratnamalika can be taken as a textbook that teaches, through the method of questions and answers, values that promote right perception and proper understanding of the objectives of human life. By studying this poem, one would certainly develop viveka or discriminating power. Learning to discriminate the real from the unreal is indeed the first step in spiritual sadhana.